How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix OSU, lag spikes, and stuttering. So this only means one thing, is that OSU isn't receiving enough resources in order for it to run smoothly. So the first thing that I suggest is to close out background application. So if you have a lot of background applications like myself, I have OBS open up, I have CapCut, I have Steam, I have my Discord, NVIDIA, and many more. So what I suggest is to close out some of this application. So for example, I also have Roblox open up right here. It will divide all of the resources into this open application that will result it on stuttering. And the second way in order to fix this problem is to disable the OSU background or effects. So the easiest way to do this is to navigate through a level. And then once inside, you just want to make sure that the background dim is enabled, disable the storyboard or video, disable the bitmap skins because it can actually affect our performance. And from there, this should go ahead and help you maximize the performance for OSU. So guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.